Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In previous class, we completed up to the letter Fa. Today, we will start our lesson from the letter of, 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 of. While pronouncing this letter of, very big part of the tongue, upper part of your mouth touch. Very big part of the tongue touches upper part of your mouth with your soft flat. It is bold letter. Its sound remains in your mouth, filling in the mouth. Let's read it again. Of, 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 of. The next one is cough, cough, cough. It is lighter one. Back part of the tongue touches soft plate and hard side, hard plate also. Cough, cough, cough. Next is lam, 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 lam. Front part of the tongue touches back part of the gum, just like a lam, lam, lam. Next is neem, neem. Very easy. Closing two lips together. Neem, neem, neem. Next is noon, noon, noon. This time your front part of the tongue touches back side of your upper gum. Sound comes out from nose. Noon, noon, noon. The next letter is wow. It is just English word wow. It will be pronounced when both lips together and stick outside. Wow, wow, wow. Next is a throttle letter ha, 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 ha. This is ha, ha. It will be read and will be pronounced from the deepest part of the throat, from the bottom part of the throat. Ha, ha, ha. As we have learned that This letter is a ha. It will be read and pronounced as ha, and its sound comes from the middle part of the throat, and the other one is ha, ha, ha. It is also a throatal letter, but a bold one. Ha. Its sound comes from upper part of the throat. But this letter ha, 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 ha. Its voice comes from bottom part of the throat. Next is Hamza. Hamza. It is all to read as ha, and it is also a throatal letter, and its voice comes from deepest part of the throat near chest. So this is Hamza, Hamza, and this is ha, ha, ha. It will not require the force, because the other two, these two, this one and this one, it requires force. But ha, it don't require any force. Although it is read and voice comes from deepest part of the throat, but it will be read as the air comes out from the mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Next one is Hamza, Hamza. Its pronunciation is just like ha. It is also throatal letter, and its voice comes from bottom part of the throat. Next is ya, 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 ya. Next one is also ya, but in a different shape. While it's pronouncing the middle part of the tongue touches upper side of your mouth, like Jim and Sheen. Pronouncing ya, both ya. Pronouncing ya, middle part of the tongue touches upper side of your mouth, like Jim and Sheen. Ya, ya. Other one is also ya, ya, ya. Now we will read the whole of today letters from first to last. Of, of. It is a throatal letter. Next one is calf, calf, calf. Next one is lam, lam, lam. Next one is meme, Meme, meme. This is noon, noon, noon. This is wow, wow, wow. This is ha, 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 ha. Hamza, Hamza, Hamza. Ya, 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 ya. Yeah, 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 yeah. So Alhamdulillah, we have read all the alphabets with proper pronunciation. Remember all these and repeat again and again. All these alphabets will come in the next lessons. So you are advised to remember all these, the sounds and pronunciation of all alphabets, so your next lesson will be easy for you. Thank you. We will meet in next lesson. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.